Section 3.1, General Equations. Solve each equation. 5x plus 7 equals 10. We want to find the value for x that when substituted in makes the equation true. The first thing we're going to do is get rid of the plus 7. To get rid of the plus 7, we subtract 7 on both sides of the equation. 5x equals 3. To undo the multiplication between the 5 and the x, we divide by 5 on both sides. 5 divided by 5 is 1, and we're left with x equals 3/5. 7 equals 12 plus 5h. Subtract 12 from both sides. -5 equals 5h. We divide by the number that is being multiplied by the variable, which is the 5. Divide by 5 on both sides. -1 equals h. We like to write our solution with the variable first. H equals -1. 1/3 minus 3/5 x equals 1/2. I don't want to have to get common denominators for all those things. If I look at 3 and 5 and 2, the least common multiple of those numbers is 30. So I'm going to multiply those fractions all by 30 over 1. 30 over 1 times 1/3 is 10. 30 over 1 times 3/5 x is -18x. 30 over 1 times 1/2 is 15. So we have the equation 10 minus 18x equals 15. Subtract 10 on both sides. -10x equals -18x equals 5. Divide by -18 on both sides. X equals 5 over -18. You could also write it as x equals -5 over 18. X over 4 plus 3/2 equals 3x over 8. 4, 2, and 8. The least common multiple is 8, so we're going to multiply everything by 8 over 1. Multiplying those fractions, our new equation is 2x plus 12 equals 3x. Now subtract 2x on both sides. 12x equals 1. X equals 12. (10) equals 3 minus x. We're going to subtract 3 on both sides. 7 equals -1x. Don't lose that minus sign with the x. Divide by -1 on both sides. X equals -7. -12 equals 4 minus x. Subtract 4 on both sides. -16 equals -1x. Divide by -1 on both sides. X equals 16. 5x plus 4 equals 6 plus 10x. Subtract 4 on both sides. 5x equals 2 plus 10x. Subtract 10x on both sides. -5x equals 2. Divide by -5 on both sides. X equals -2/5. 9 minus the quantity 2x plus 5 equals 4 times 5x plus 2. Watch the signs. We're going to have to multiply to get rid of the parentheses on the right. 9x minus 2x minus 5 equals 20x plus 8. Combine like terms. 7x minus 5 equals 20x plus 8. Add 5 to both sides. 7x equals 20x plus 13. Subtract 20x. -13x equals 13. Divide by -13 on both sides. X equals -1. Section 3.1, General Equations.